It's a bitch. I think I've been through 3 hurricanes. You know, granted you're tied up to the dock, but geez, I think at 2 of them, at the first 2 of them, at around 3 o'clock in the morning on each one of them, I was ready to bail, but there was no way to get off the boat because it stretched the line so far from the dock. I couldn't jump to the dock. I mean, I packed a bail bag, you know, to get out of here. I was going to go stay in my van when I had a van. Uh-oh, there was a bite. Bite. I got him. Mr. Catfish, let you. Might be a good one. It's got some weight to it. Fish of the day. Told you I go downstairs and right. I can see the monitor, you know. I haven't even seen this thing yet. That's a big one. Bigger. On a feather light rod. Where can you get entertainment like this during the coronavirus? Oh, I see it. I saw it. I guess it's not that big. 5 pound maybe. Well, 6 pound. Big bullhead. Hope I can get him out of the water without using a pair of grips. We'll use a pair of grips to get him. That way we can get a look at him. Hey, what's up, man? Oh, can we see it? It's coming in. Maybe. Alright, we get to watch a $250,000 boat coming in. Check it out. Live from Green Cove Springs. It's Monday morning. Like Saturday Night Live. It's Monday morning. Look, everybody's so helpful. They come out when they see you and they help you. That's Mr. Everett there in the front giving her a tug. What a nice guy. Uh-oh, Smashy on the Crashy. Yep, kablamo. Kaboom. Oh, I heard that all the way over here. Bang. Ha ha. Captain Bang Bang went clang clang. Huh, wonder how he did that, because the tide's going like towards the dock there on the lee side, you know. See how he's slinging over that way? Well, that might be them pulling too, but that's what the direction the tide's going. Always something interesting going on here at Reynolds Yacht Center. You can rent you a spot here too to fish off of. Not. It's a private club for morons. No, you might be able to talk your way into a spot here. They're pretty full though. This is the floating dock. The main dock out there goes out about 1,000 feet. That's where the big boats are. Big boats. Oh, was that cool or what? We got to see him crash that thing into the side of that pylon. Boom! But he didn't know he was getting the videoed. Everett's looking over here. He's like, did I just get videoed? No, he doesn't know. Nobody knows. It's a secret. I'm sure they all suspect it though. Always got a live stream. Ha 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 ha. What a nice day. I caught 5 fish so far. Big old snapping turtle. Come on. Big alligator snapper. Roar. Well, that's a weird picture, the way it sets there. That wide angle lens. Looks like the boat's leaning over on its side. Oh well. Well,